Whew. Here we go again. Hope I don't run into anybody today. Okay. Looks like there's a little less water than usual. Cool. I don't see the carp out here today. Sunfish in there. This place is amazing. Last time all I found in here was just long-ear sunfish and bluegills. But I don't know, the weather's changing. Maybe the fish go different places. Thought I had a fish on, but I got some moss. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Yes, sir. That is what I'm talking about. That's why we're here. Beautiful spotted bass. Absolutely. Oh, barely hooked too. Oh my gosh. All right, so last couple times that I've fished this area, I've never seen bass in here. And it's just really nice to see them back here. Look at that. All right, and that's why we're here. We are here because there are spotted bass in this creek, and I love to catch them. They are beautiful. It's nice to see one with that dark of spots. That way you guys can really see the pattern on those guys. It's actually beautiful. So I caught that on the GOOGAN Bait's little Rattlin Ned. Let's see if we can get another one. Oh, that's a bite already. Oh yeah, there's something biting at it. Bite, bite. Here we go, here we go. Got another one. Yes, sir. Ooh, feels about as good. Yeah. Awesome. Heck yeah. Fish number 2. Okay, it looks like we found him. Barely hooked again. Right on the edge of that lip. Another little spotted bass. So much fun. All right. Woo! All right. I like this. I could do this all day. Got a lot of bites. There's a really big long-ear population in this creek, so that might be part of what's kind of nipping at it. Yeah, that's where I wanted it. All right. So I'm giving this little Rattlin Ned a couple twitches. There's one. Oh, that was a bite. That way the fish hear it, because it's a Rattlin Ned. It actually has a little bead in there that makes noise. So I can give it a couple twitches. Slowly reel. It's definitely getting attention. Oh, that's a bite. Just getting nipped at. Woohoo, yes. Oh, come on. Why does the line dance like that? That's weird. Oh, yes. That was a strike. Look at this place, though. What is that? See? Was he just... Why does the line dance like that? Ooh. That was a big one. That was a big bite. Ah. All right, it's been a real fun time out here. It's been a while since I've been here, and getting a little cooler. Nice to see what these fish are up to in this cooler weather. Yeah. Look at this area. Okay, I'm gonna give it a shot right here. Like I said, another 15 more minutes. Running out of sunlight, and I don't like to be out here, especially where I don't know my environment. We're too late. Oh yeah, looks like there might be something hiding in those logs. All right, wish me luck. We got some nice little shaded area here, and there's a couple big trees that have just been knocked, well, that are sunk in there. It's usually where bass like to hang out. So I think I'm just gonna fish this little area and then call it a day. Well, I might be scaring off all the potential fish that were in here, but I am snagged, and I really don't want to lose that whole thing. This water is really cold. Man. I better be able to get this.